Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Imran Deen List. Today we will learn how to export data from SQL servers, query results to Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. So let me open a new query. This is Microsoft SQL Server. First of all, I will select a database. By default, the master database selected. I will select this database, data list test, and I will write a short query. Select all from movie mo movie data where genre is equal to comedy. Let me execute this query. So I got this results. You can see the genre is only comedy. So and we have about 98 rows. So how I can export this result? Because I want to do some further visualization etc. in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. So I will right click on this result, save results as, then I will go to my desktop and I will name movies data and I will save it as commas delimited comma separated values and I will click save. I will go to my desktop. You can see over here the data is saved. I will right click, open. Okay, you can see the data is exported. I will fix these columns width. You can see I have data only consists of comedy genre. I can save this as Excel file. I'll click on file and I'll click save as. I'll go to browse. On desktop I will save it as Microsoft Excel workbook. I'll click save. So this way you can export data from SQL Server query results into Microsoft Excel. Over here you can do further visualization, data cleaning, etc, etc, whatever you want. Usually we do data cleaning SQL Server when we have a lot of data. Then we use Excel for visualizing, etc, or we want to give it to someone or we have to show it to someone, we use Excel. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.